I think I got like 5 extra minutes, like a free day today. Let's try this. Just see what happens. They did. I don't remember what that means. Or okay.
O.
Or or yo.
Yo.
Yo. Adios.
Adiós.
Adios. I don't know. I can't remember that one. I don't know what that is. How do you skip it?
De acuerdo.
De acuerdo. I still have no idea what that even means, man. What is this? Sí.
Sí.
Sí. No.
Adiós.
Adiós. Por favor.
Por favor.
Por favor. Yeah.
Este.
El niño. The kid looks
El
messed
niño.
up. Kind of creepy.
O.
O is or
O.
something like that. Me gusta. Me gusta. Me gusta. What happened here? Me
gusta.
Me gusta. La niña.
La niña.
La niña. Gracias. Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. Adiós. No, what's that? El niño.
El niño.
El niño. Y.
Y. De acuerdo.
De acuerdo. De acuerdo? That's cheese? I don't know.
De acuerdo.
De acuerdo. I don't know what that means,
El
man. They
niño.
never explained it to me. What? I didn't hear what they said.
El niño.
El niño. Okay. Shh.
El pescado.
El pescado. This is tough. La niña.
La niña.
La niña. No, that is not.
Yo.
Yo.
Este.
This.
Este. El hombre.
El hombre.
El hombre.
That's why they gave me that free minutes. 'Cause they knew I'm horrible at this, and it's like a gracias. It's a grace thing. Gracias. That's not gracias. That's that.
La mujer.
La mujer. Me gusta. Me gusta.
Me gusta.
Me gusta. Oh, ¿les frutas? Las frutas.
Las frutas.
Las frutas. Gracias. Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. Por favor.
Por favor.
What is he doing? I don't know. Me gusta.
Me gusta.
Me gusta. Forgot what that even
La
means.
niña.
La niña. La niña. It's a girl.
La niña.
La niña. Session complete. All right. That was like the free bonus round there. 3 more words. I got to do the review though. I have no idea. What? That's what they said last time, man. I'm not worthy. I got too many mistakes. Yeah. Hurting my feelings. Okay. Por favor. Gracias. Sí. El pescado. La niña. Me gusta. What does me gusta mean?
Me gusta.
I like. Oh, me gusta. El queso, el hombre. Yo me encuentro con, I don't know, el niño y adiós la mujer, yo, hola, el say it?
El desayuno.
El desayuno. Las fritas. What's that one word that they keep on giving me? I have no idea what it means. Where is it? I'll have to find it later, next time they give it to me. Alrighty, see you guys in the next video. That was pretty fun. Not.